Hello, my name is Laveena Rupani. Coming from a vibrant city of Ajmer, I was always passionate about understanding people's needs and their motivations. That is where I have chosen that I have to pursue my post-graduation from Pune Institute of Business Management in the field of marketing. As a part of my academic journey, I was selected in 2 internships. One was with Jaipur, Rajasthan, and the another one was in an IT company which was situated in Bangalore. There I have gained hands-on experience in the field and understanding the marketing more. There I have gained that how to make customer relationships, making communication with people and making a good interpersonal skills with clients. And many more things I have learned in my internships. So when we came back to our campus, we were having the final placement process. And we were having back-to-back mock GDs and PI sessions with our mentors and other teachers. So, when the form of ICICI Lombard was circulated, I was a little bit nervous that whether I will be able to crack it or not. But with the help of my mentors' support, they have helped me that what are the roles and responsibilities and what are actually they are looking in a person. So this has helped me to crack my interview for the ICICI Lombard, and finally I have got selected in the company.